My name is Anand Parolia. Welcome to Lifestyle and Creation. Today we'll talk about the country's first SUV connected SUV, Venue. It is 2020 model with added IMT technology, latestly launched. The front of Venue is having polished radiator grille with Hyundai logo. It is coming with projector headlamps with cornering, DRL lights and very much stylish side lights. And very important feature, it is coming with projector fog lamps. This character lines giving an impression of a big SUV and enhancing the performance and looks of the vehicle. It is coming with multi-functional projector headlamps with cornering and integrated DRL. Hyundai Venue comes with 3 engine options, 2 in petrol and 1 in diesel. This engine is world's best performing engine, turbo GDI engine. It generates 120 PS of power at 6000 RPM. Venue comes with 17 inches diamond cut alloy wheels, and Venue has got the largest wheelbase of 2500 mm in its segment. It has integrated turn indicator and integrated roof rails, which increases the sporty looks of the vehicle. Venue has got dynamic rear. It has shark fin antenna mounted on the roof, high mount stop lamp, rear parking sensors with camera and 350 liters of boot space, one of the highest in its segment. Now let's get into the car and explore the inside. Hyundai Venue steering wheel is very handy. It is integrated cruise control and it has a steering mounted audio controls. The all new Venue 2020 has 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system which offers you inbuilt navigation with multi functions like BlueLink technology. It has features of Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, BlueLink telematics and reverse parking camera. Screen offers you very exciting features called DRVM. You can see at the rear of the vehicle at the time of driving. It is coming up with a fully automatic climate control system which take care of the chillness of the car, and all the touch points are very much in reachable, and that gives you a very peppy driving. Now I would like to show you the electric sunroof, which is one of the highlights of Venue. Hyundai has recently launched IMT technology. It is intelligent manual transmission technology which offers you clutchless manual transmission driving pleasure. You don't need to change gears by pressing clutch. It has no clutch, that gives you more driving pleasure. And the steering wheel is tilted for driving comfort. This is also coming up with wireless charger. Cabin space of Venue is very roomy. It has got ample legroom, headroom, shoulder room, and it has come with detachable headrest. And the very beautiful feature like rear AC vent is also coming in Venue for passenger convenience at rear seat. Hyundai takes utmost care of the safety of the vehicle and safety of our occupants. This venue has got 6 airbags and ABS with EBD for ultimate safety.
I hope you subscribe to Lifestyle and Creation. As and when the new video comes, you will get an intimation, and do subscribe. They are lovely people, lovely set of people on board.